Welcome to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're doing something completely different, yet sort of the same. I received an email from Eli from Day at the Range. We're going to do the Z challenge. My CZ457 is out of commission, so I have the XT-22 out here with an SH4 on top. And we're going to shoot RWS target rifle. Let's do it. Just a slight breeze from right to left. Nothing to really write home about though. Okay, starting with open bolt, mags in, hands off the rifle. 3, 2, 1. That's her. So, it doesn't shoot as good as my CZ, but it still shoots pretty well. That's the first time this rifle has ever had half decent ammo through it. Normally it's bulk pack stuff, so pretty impressed. Grouped alright, especially for shooting fast and not having much time to actually get a good solid aim point, but well, there you have it. Now let's go look at the groups. Well guys, that was a super fun little challenge. Unfortunately I couldn't use my good rifle, but this guy held out pretty good. I'm actually very surprised that it was printing groups like it did. And at that speed, like this trigger kind of sucks, to be honest, compared to the Timney in my 457. But yeah, that was a blast. Loved that challenge. Maybe I'll do another one when I get my 457 back up in action. And I also have a 1022. I might try that, but it's a bone stock configuration with a super cheap Chinese optic on it. Well guys, thanks for coming and watching my entry into the Day at the Range 2023 Z challenge. It was super fun, and I want to try it now with a couple other rifles, but we'll see what happens. Thanks Eli for inviting me into this challenge. I'll definitely looking forward to doing more. Take care guys.